continues its surprise launches, introducing the Huawei Mate X5, a side-folding smartphone that skips the X4 generation. The device features a 6.4-inch OLED LPTO external display and a larger 7.85-inch foldable OLED LPTO screen, both offering high refresh rates and advanced touch capabilities. While the chipset remains undisclosed, it's speculated to be the Kirin 9000. The Mate X5 boasts 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage. Cameras include a 50MP main, 13MP ultra-wide, and 12MP periscope telephoto. Running Harmony OS 4.0, it houses a 5,260 mAh battery with fast charging. Prices and global availability are yet to be confirmed.